Hey everyone, I am back and I am here with a wig revamp. So let's get into it. This is a custom made wig I made for my client about a year ago. I ordered her closure from My Hairline. It is Body Wave 5x5 HD lace. So I detoxed the wig and it was really dirty, which is to be expected due to product buildup as well as the dirt in the air. And I customized and bleached the knots off camera, but look at that scalp. Like, you cannot deny the talent. So then I went ahead and I just lined up the closure with the wig, braided the hair out the way, and I always hand stitch my closure or frontal first to the wig, and then I run it through the sewing machine because it just gives it that extra added security that you need. So that's what's happening right now. And she wanted some loose body curls, not too tight. I went ahead and let the wig air dry. I pressed it out and then I went in with the body curls. Basically, I went up half of the way and that's it. And that's how we get that loose curl look. And yeah, so that was pretty much it. And this is the finished look. You guys, if you have old wigs, do not throw them away. Give them to May. Custom wig revamp starting at $125, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.